Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 20th. We are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Today is the earnings day for Tesla. They are going to make a presentation, but the slide deck is already available. So if you go here on ir.tesla.com, you can go and download any press releases that we had, and we have the shareholder deck. So looking at this, we can already analyze that. Let me just get myself out of the way. Let's look at the Q3 earnings. Automotive revenues, 10 billion last quarter, 12 billion this quarter, 58% up year over year with less regulatory credits. I think this is the good news. Gross profit, 3 billion instead of 2.8. So that's 74% up. Automotive gross margin, we reached 30% and last quarter was 28%. So this is pretty much, this is fantastic. Revenues of 13.7 billion compared to almost 12 billion last quarter. Gross profit, 3.6 billion. GAAP gross margin, 26.6. That's very good. Operating expenses, just a little bit more. Income from operations, operating margins. This is becoming a cash machine. 14% operating margins, 3.2 billion. Adjusted EBITDA margin, 23.3. So all in all, everything is great. Everything is higher than it was during the last quarter. Earnings per share, 144. It was 102 and non-GAAP 145 and it's now 1.86. So look at this here, 433%. This is astounding. Net cash provided by operating activities, 3 billion cash expenditure, free cash flow. Free cash flow 1.3. So it's better than what it had been during the quarters of 2021. Cash and cash equivalents, just a little bit of a decrease in cash. Let's go here. The production numbers, we already knew about that. So I guess there's nothing else to see. But anyway, this is a great presentation that you can take a look at. It's really nice to see the progress of Tesla. Okay, let's go see the impact on the stock. So Tesla closed today at 865.80. Up 1.53%. That's 0.18%. Post-market, we are now down a little bit. Earlier, we were down a lot more. I think people are starting to see that things are pretty good, that the financials are quite strong. So I am hopeful that we are not going to get a big drop, a big drawdown that we had. We have had some earnings, some great earning beats in the past, and then the stock went down for a little while before picking up a little bit. So let's hope that this time that the drawdown is not going to be so big. Let's go see the 1-hour chart. Tesla has been respecting our 861.89 support, and we are just below it today post-market as of now. So we opened above 861.89, went down, but then was pushed back up again. Then 3 red candles after that. Then support was holding again, 861.89. I'm not making this up. Support holding. We have another red candle here and then support holding again for the last hour. We have a descending stochastic. So the pressure was going down, but because of what might be the reaction tomorrow morning, hopefully things will be picking up. If not, if we break this, as I mentioned, we still have this support right here, this diagonal support that we can hold on to. Let's go see the daily chart, how this affected our indicators. So stochastic is still at 91, super strong. RSI is still overbought, but still maintaining itself up there. MACD great and DMI great. Let's just wait until tomorrow morning to see what happens, at what price Tesla is going to open up to. Let's hope that we stay at least above 861.89. That would be the best case scenario. And I think that because of the great financials, let's hope that the stock is going to go back up. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. Watch the Q&A with Elon. This is very interesting. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.